Microsoft Expression Web 4 is an HTML or hypertext markup language, web page design, and maintenance software application released from Microsoft starting in 2006 as a replacement for the discontinued Microsoft Front Page 2003. We use the latest and the final release of Microsoft Expression Web called Microsoft Expression Web 4. The program is now discontinued itself as of December 2012 and is a free download from Microsoft. You should be getting this software installed on your computer after successfully completing this website maintenance training course. To find the Microsoft Expression Web software on your computer, you can follow these steps. Click the Start menu, traditionally in the lower left of the Microsoft Windows taskbar. Then click All Programs. Scroll to the Microsoft Expression Web folder. Opening that folder, you will see Microsoft Expression Web 4 if it's installed on your computer. Once you have the Microsoft Expression Web software installed on your computer, you will be able to open the software. Click the Microsoft Expression Web icon to open the application. You might get a box in the middle of the screen asking if you'd like Microsoft Expression Web to be the default web editor. Uncheck the checkbox and click Yes. After opening the software, you will be presented with a somewhat familiar interface if you've used the older Microsoft Office 2003 applications, such as Microsoft Word 2003, Excel, or PowerPoint. At the top of the screen, you see the familiar menu options of File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Tools, etc., just like in Microsoft Word 2003. As a matter of fact, what you will be doing with Expression Web is very much like using a word processing program. Likely you will be adding text and possibly inserting links to Adobe PDFs or links to other websites, internal Heartland Community College websites, and links to external websites. These are all things you can do with a traditional word processing application like Microsoft Word, but rather than working on a text document, you will be opening a web page file. The main section of the screen is the editor portion of the Expression Web software. Here you can type text, edit text, insert links to PDFs, links to web pages, and more. Again, if you've used a word processing program, this should look somewhat familiar to you. This interface can look a little bit daunting at first, but you can close many of the side panels so these don't become a distraction. Simply click the X next to the panel's top right to close that panel. Don't worry, you can always reopen all those panels under the Panels menu at the top of the program. Here you can choose Reset Current Workspace, and those panels will all open back up. Or you can simply press F4 on the keyboard and the panels will auto-hide, meaning they will collapse along to the left and right sides of the screen. And they will pop out if the mouse is hovered over them. Either way, this makes the screen much less cluttered. Next, we'll be learning how to open a Heartland Community College web page in Microsoft Expression Web 4.